Hello, how's everyone going? Hope everyone is having a wonderful and an awesome day. My name is Sanjeev, and today on this video I wanted to give my honest review on the company called CLICKBANK. Right, there's a lot of people out there talking about CLICKBANK and how they're actually making tons and tons of generating a lot of income through this particular program. So I'll give you my honest opinion, and also I'll be giving you something at the end so you can take it and hopefully it will help you, right? So if you see, this is CLICKBANK, right? So what normally people do, they actually go to CLICKBANK to find a offer to promote, right? And you might have seen tons of videos going through this same exact process, right? They're showing you this offer. But the problem which I actually see for a complete beginner, if you're a complete beginner, you pretty much have to design everything aside from just promoting the offer, right? So you're going to be designing your own funnel, you're going to be designing your own autoresponder, and pretty much you have to do a lot of testing, which might take you a lot of time to actually find the right funnel for your offer, and you have to find the right offer to actually be promoting, right? Another issue that I personally see with this is not recurring commission, right? You just go out and actually sell your product once. If some customer stays with you, okay, but this is not actually going to be bringing you recurring income, right? That's how we actually get true freedom, when we can start to get recurring commission month after month, right? So you can see here, there's a lot of products out there. You can see at the back end, right? And you can actually choose. Most popular is weight loss product, right? That's what normally people actually promote. Like I said, for complete beginner, like I'll share a bit of my story. Once I was doing my own research into what offers should I be promoting, right? CLICKBANK just kept coming on and on together with Worry Plus. And I actually invested in a mentor, right? But once I got in the mentoring, right, I actually pretty much left on my own. I had to figure things out on my own. I wasn't getting any support whatsoever, and I actually designed my own funnel, which was getting me a pretty bad opt-in rate, right? So opt-in rate, if you don't know, someone, when they come inside your funnel, they enter their name and email address. You actually capture their name and email address on the back end, and that's when you can start promoting your offers, right, through email marketing, right? But the issue with that was my funnel was like really bad, because I wasn't getting any support, and literally I was just guessing all these things, right? So that led me to go down my own discovery, and I had to do a lot of research because I just didn't want to keep throwing money on ads, and I wasn't getting much opt-in rate. I wasn't getting much results anyway, right? You might be going through the same issues. You want to be promoting, making money through affiliate marketing through CLICKBANK, but these are the challenges you might be facing, right? You have invested in probably a course or mentoring, but you are still testing out. You still haven't got that formula right. So let me share with you something that I actually found and works really well for me, which is, if you're watching this video, what you need to do is click beneath this video, right? There's going to be a special link here, right? Once you click on this, it actually opens up the page, so that way you can see the thing that I'm actually doing. You can also see in the video that I am promoting and the amount of income that I've been generated, right? A disclaimer, this is my own personal results, so you have to do your own hard work, right? But all the people, they actually join my team, I actually support them, I actually build their funnel so they can get the highest opt-in, right? So this video is here, you can see my income proof, right? You can see in the pinned comment. So what you need to do is enter your name here, and then you're going to be entering your email address, right? So it's very easy entering your email address, because I'm trying to get you to understand like what are the things that I'm actually promoting, and which is actually giving me monthly recurring commission, like month after month. So you need to click on this button, like this is the exact offer that I've been promoting, and literally you can it doesn't cost that much as well, right? So you just paying $25 and you can literally see this, what this amazing system is doing, right? ClickBank, you have to do a lot of testing. You might be putting down thousands of dollars on ads, right? With this, and with this exact formula, you can actually take this formula and apply and start getting results, right? So once you click on this, so pretty much this is a funnel building tool, right? We used to build our funnel membership sites, but if you don't know anything about that, all I'm doing is just promoting the business, right? And it's actually paying me 80% commission, right? Every single month I'm start to get recurring commission month after month, right? So what you need to do is enter your name and your email address, go down, and you'll see here they give you a bonus, right? It's a company bonus that's actually giving out. So I need to click this button and just go ahead and do the checkout, right? Now I'll share quickly with you the actual offer that I'm promoting, right? So this is the tools, funnel builder, traffic and conversion, right? So these are the two products that actually gives you recurring commission month after month, right? So and you see the how much bonus that company actually gives. So what I do for my team, I actually build the entire system. I set up the funnel for them. I set up the autoresponder. So if you're a complete beginner doing affiliate marketing, check the link beneath this video. You can see all the training, and we'll also add you in our messenger group chat. So any questions you have, unlike ClickBank, you might be doing a lot of testing and you don't have any support, right? With this, you're going to get all the support, and you can also plug into our mastermind. Like if I go here, traffic and conversion mastermind call, we have mastermind calls literally every single day, right? 6 days a week. So you can go here, and all the recording mastermind calls, you can go and watch it, like what people are doing to actually start getting results, right? So that's all for this video. Again, I'll also leave a link in the description for my Facebook group. You can also join this group. I'll quickly share with you the group, right? This group I'm only designed for people who want to actually earn money from the comfort of their home. So if you click that button, I'll quickly share that. So you can join this amazing group, and that way you can start getting success with this amazing program. So again, thank you so much for watching, and this is the group that I've actually created. I've got 340 people in the group, which are actually generating results like every single month, and I'm helping everyone in my team. So again, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. God bless you, and bye for now. Hello.